Hi guys, it's Alex here from Amplify Trading. Just having a quick look at the euro here, which this 117 handle is so important. You know, it was important last week. Multiple tests of this area, then was below, then back above, and then holding it as support. Moved away. We come back here again, back on the support, and today in today's price action, we're rallying away from it. You know, this would indicate more bullish bias for the coming sessions, although price has been tight. And just looking down into the 60-minute time frames, one of the trainees this morning took a great trade here off this area, stopped below, and we came up to test that Friday's high. We just sliced through it as if it wasn't even there, and now we're back up here trading around the R2 on the day, which was the high from the 14th. Price a bit overbought here on the short term and the ultra short term. Wouldn't expect price to get through here today. However, you know, looking for that retracement. You know, if price did come back to test Friday's high around 1750, you know, see some bullish evidence off of that level, would be interested in taking a long off that tomorrow. And just having a look at where price could potentially go. Well, you know, above 18 was also near a super key level from back in early October, where we had a double test of it, managed to get above it, sit on top of it, we're back below it. So this 18 handle is going to be key, and that high from October will also be key around 1830. So be running this trade from here up towards the 18 handle, and then once we reach this area here, it'll be bullish above, bearish below. If we can get above this level here, then the next level on the upside would be that 19 handle, which you can again see here was such an important level from back in July and September. We rejected the 120s, and then in September again up here. So it'd be interesting to see how price reacts up here. We are getting close to the election, however, and so price action is tight here in cable. Would stay away from cable, but we've have had really tight price action here between 129 and 130 mark. You know, we managed to get above 130, rejected it, and we're just holding this 129s here. And this morning, we've just got to be so careful of those Brexit comments. When we broke above the high of the day, you know, it was off to the races. That high of the day held so well, but also acted as a springboard for the move higher. We came back, broke above the R1, and came back for the classic and a test of the R2 now. More bullish cable, but with the Brexit rhetoric and this type of price action, I'm just sort of very cautious with cable at the moment. Moving over to the Australian dollar, which is a massive level here, which was the June high. You can see what an important level that June high was. Came back as support here, and support again on the Thursday, and we are just holding this level here. So this area here is bullish above, bearish below. If we get below this level, be more bearish. But if we do rotate on the upside, a nice target would be that sort of 72 handle and the low from September 9th, which also was resistance here back in early October. What would I want to see here for an entry? Well, if price came back to retest this kind of area, could potentially be a good long. Also with the fibs in there, fib 382 and the R1, if we manage to get back there, see some bullish evidence off of that level, with the stochastic a little bit more towards the oversold, would be interested in that trade there, up through the high of today. Maybe this trade comes tomorrow, and would then look to play that potentially back up towards the 72 mark as we described on the daily chart. Alright, well, I'll leave that there for today, guys. Any questions, do please hit me up in the chat. Otherwise, enjoy your week and happy trading.